Welcome to Varshini Vlog. Today we are going to have a glance about how to prepare idli chilli powder, which is a very apt side dish for idli dosha varieties. For that, what are the ingredients needed? Let's have a detailed look about it. For that, we need to take for 1 cup of chana dal, we need to take 3 by 4 cup of urad dal. Here I have taken 2 cups of chana dal. So the amount of urdu dal is 1.5 cups. And for me, I need more spicy idli chili powder. So I have taken 30 numbers of red chili. And for flavor, I have taken white sesame 200 grams and hing 8 pinches. These are the ingredients required. So let's have a detailed look about the preparation. For that, first you need to take a heavy bottomed kadai or heavy bottomed vessel or pan, and asafoetida I have taken 8 pinches. It's very good for digestion. I have repeated several times in all the other videos in which I have uploaded. So for 1 cup of chana dal, if it is 3 by 4 cups of urad dal, so for 2 cups it's 1.5 cups of urad dal. So in a heavy bottomed kadai, you need to dry it, clean it, dry it, and then you can pour 3 tablespoons of oil. Today I have taken refined oil. Inside the kadai, you can add the chana dal taken, the urad dal taken, and the hing or asafoetida, and all the red chilies. At one time you can add. So for this, since it is a little large amount, what you can do is you can take a big kadai so that it will be very easy for you to do stirring. One job for this idli podi preparation is frying. So I have kept the flame very low, and with the spatula you need to continuously stir for half an hour when it is kept in a low flame. If you keep it in high flame, what will happen is all the dals won't get roasted in an even manner. It will be uneven, and sometimes some dals might get burnt also. So in order to reduce the heat also, what we should do is, I have reduced the flame so that even when you do with the spatula inside the kadai for a long time, you won't get the heat of the kadai. It will be very convenient for you. And I have taken 2 tablespoons of crystal salt for the first time. I have roasted for 4 minutes. Now I am getting a very nice aroma of all the dals, red chili, hing. Let it all mix together thoroughly, and after 6 minutes also it has started becoming, it has started getting a golden brown shade. You need to stir continuously for half an hour, since we have kept it in a very low flame. At last you will get a stage where you need to switch off the flame. All the dals will get roasted in a golden brown manner, in an even manner. Golden brown manner in an even way. After it is getting completely roasted, you can switch off the flame. And you can transfer it into a large plate so that it will get cooled completely. Even you can keep it under the fan for 20 minutes so that all the dals will get cooled completely. After getting cooled completely only, you need to add inside the mixer grinder and you need to grind it. See how well it has got roasted in an even manner. Now I have taken 200 grams of white sesame. It is optional only. It will give, it's an extra added flavor and taste. For that only we are adding it. You will get in market the roasted white sesame also. Today I didn't get roasted sesame, so that only I am roasting it. If you get it, if you get roasted white sesame seeds, you can just add directly into the mixture jar and grind. You need to grind it separately after you grind all the dals, red chilies and hing powder with the salt added. Now it has got roasted in a very well manner. See, like this it will turn into light brownish color. That is the stage where we need to switch off the flame. For all the ingredients, you need to keep in a low flame and fry. You need to give a nice stir. Otherwise, you won't be able to stir with the spatula. You will be able to experience that overheat through the kadai. So that I am telling you to keep it in a very low flame. Now you can grind it as 3 batches so that it won't get overloaded and the jar won't get stuck. And that white sesame which is roasted, you can add at last and grind it separately inside the mixer grinder. Now I have grinded 3 batches, in 3 batches all the dals and red chili and hing, and at last I have grinded white sesame as a separate batch and I have mixed everything together. See how beautifully it has got ready. Now you can pour oil and you can enjoy this idli chili powder with any dosha varieties, idli varieties. If you take the same measurement as I have told in the same amount of measurement of the ingredients as I have mentioned here in this video, you will get it in a very nice manner. Just try it and don't hesitate to like, share, comment and subscribe to Varshini Vlog. Just press the bell icon and you can press the all option also. Thanks for watching. Bye.